Hi everyone, today I will review about pack eyebrow definer. You can get here 4 shades. 3 shades are brown and 1 is black. Here you can get one brush also. Each and every shade I apply on my hands. Pigments are really awesome. It gives you a natural finish look. Each and every shade I apply on my eyebrow. You can see here. This is the first brown shade which I have applied on my eyebrow. This is the third brown shade which I have applied on my eyebrow. It gives very natural look. And last I apply the black shade. It enhances the beauty of my face also. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. This is the black shade.